Hey, you wanna hear a good joke? Nobody speak, nobody get choked. Your bunions, I'm coming, I'm the dumbest who flamed through your fuck shit to funyuns. Flame your crew quicker than Trump fucks his youngest. Now face the flame fuckers, your fame and fate's done with.
I rock Charlie Brown, Peppermint, Patty, Linus, and Lucy. Put coke in the doobie, roll woolies to smoke with Snoopy. I still remain that dick grabbing slacker to spill the wookie. Cause the total of the toolie will murder you friggin' moolies. Fuck out of here.